Welcome to another 3D printing tech tip from GoEngineer. My name is Joseph. Today I want to guide you through the method to access the hidden maintenance menu on your Polyjet 3D printer. Please only do this with direction from your service technician. We don't want to mess anything up on accident. Now on the software, you need to get your little mouse pointer, put it down in the right-hand corner and hit the Control, Alt, and M keys all at the same time. That pops up this attention window. Just click on the OK, and there is our maintenance menu. Now, sometimes this doesn't work very easily. You do need to make sure your software is selected, and there is a little sweet spot in the bottom right corner here. If you absolutely cannot get that to work, there is another option. You can go under the Polyjet software icon, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then at the end of this alaris30.exe, hit the space bar, the dash, and a capital M. Then click Apply, and OK to close it. Then when you close and reopen the software, the maintenance menu will be there. Again, just a reminder, please only go into this menu if you're instructed to by your service technician. If you do need some maintenance help, please reach out to us. You can find our contact information for customer support at GoEngineer.com. Please like and subscribe to this video so you can get all of our future tech tips. Thanks, and have a nice day. Wait, okay, just do the ending.
The brain strain was...
Sugar ended.